accessible room 8239 on the Carnival Miracle. You'll notice it has a much wider door. And it's also very level down there. There's no hump. Come in, your bed is going to be on your left. It's a king size bed. And it has all kinds of different outlets. There's a couple American outlets. There's if you have an emergency and you need some assistance, you can hit that. And there's a duplication over on the other side. They've got the same buttons over there. You got one lamp. There's nowhere to plug your phone in there. Turning around, here's your counter. And there's your stool over here. There's some shelves. There's your safe, it's exposed. And then you got this here, this is your refrigerator. There's your TV. Come around over here. It's a very spacious room. You got hooks, you got lower hooks here, as well as regular hooks up there, the higher hooks. Come into the bathroom. There's no lip, so you can roll right in with your wheelchair or mobility scooter. There's the bathroom, the sink, toilet, grab bars. There's more bars or more hooks over here. And then the shower you can roll into, and it also comes with a seat. So it's a nice shower, and it does come with a shower curtain, but I don't really think you want a glass door. Anyway, nice size, very nice size bathroom. Okay. After you come out of the bathroom, the balcony is right here. And you just hit the button to open. And this is really a neat design. This opens up. You'll see the little piece come down to create a ramp. And then you can come right out here. You get two chaise lounges. Here's a regular chair, table, and here's a look from this side of the ramp. I mean, it's not really a ramp, it's just flat is what it is. You can walk right on it or roll right on it. And then you close the door, hit the button. Close it right up. Then there's your lock right there. There's also a lock down here.